Our next planned stop is the complete and total opposite of the soundscape. The sound on Mars differs from that of Venus in the opposite direction because its atmosphere is very thin compared to Earth's, meaning it has fewer molecules. Wind speeds on Mars can be extremely high, occasionally leading to hurricanes. Picture a wind force close to 200 kilometers per hour. This force would be powerful enough to sweep you away on Earth, but as an astronaut on Mars, you'd experience it more as a gentle Earth breeze. The wind itself would make a little sound. More audible would be the impact of grains of sand on the glass of your spacesuit. Would you not hear an abundance of sounds? Climbing the surface, you would hear a dull grating of the ground beneath your spacesuit. However, Mars is a different planet that we can count on more than mere guesses. We've been sending robots there for decades, and we finally recently got the first real audio recording from the surface of Mars. It was recorded by the Perseverance rover in 2021. These are the sounds of Martian winds and the clatter of the rover's wheels on the planet's surface. They are sounds that our predecessors could have only fantasized about encountering. Wind and stones are one thing, the sound of a voice is another.